Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over where you would add antifreeze to your Honda Fit. This is a 2011 Honda Fit, and on this Honda Fit we have a radiator reservoir, overflow reservoir right here. And if you can look down here on the back, and I'll try to get a good picture from the bottom to have in the description, but down here on the back you've got a minimum and maximum, and you would just check it, and if you're at the minimum you would definitely want to add some coolant, and you just got to remove this cap, pour in the coolant. This happens to have very green coolant, but just go ahead and put the coolant that is recommended for your vehicle in there, and just fill it up to the max line. You're not going to fill this thing all the way full, just to the max line, because you need some space for expansion, right? And also, so say you did the water pump change or a thermostat where you drained your engine coolant, the place that you would start filling it up is right here. And you would go ahead and remove this cap. Now you don't want to remove this cap if your engine is hot. You want to make sure it's cool, because the steam can come off and it can burn you, right? So you just push the cap down with the safety caps and then just pull it off. And this is where you would put your coolant if you're adding the full coolant, probably 1.5 gallons or 2 max. We put in here. If you were to have drained the whole system, or you put a new radiator or even radiator hoses on, and that's where you would put that coolant in, and then you would bring that up to top, and then you would check this and fill that up where it needs to be, and then drive it and get it all to pump through the system, and then check this again to make sure. But that's where you would add coolant to your Honda Fit. And thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.